Hey guys, this is Jonathon Henderson with Pressure Washing Marketing Pros. In today's video, I want to go over some campaigns that we ran for the Christmas light installation season to show you guys some of the results that our clients, were getting with their Christmas light installation campaigns, and how if you're already running Christmas light ads, you guys can, compare your results to ours. Also, what you guys can go ahead and do is, if you're thinking about adding this as a service, or you already have it as a service, but you're skeptical and you're scared to run Google Ads because you don't know a company that you can trust to get good results for this, then this is definitely the video for you to watch. And if you've always been interested in offering Christmas light ads and want to see essentially how many more leads it can bring you in those very cold months of November and December, this video can shed some light on that, because I think that it's a very good service that a lot of exterior cleaning companies should go ahead and implement in their wintertime, because it's going to really go ahead and increase your cash flow and allow you to thrive during the wintertime so that you can reinvest that money, whether it's into your employees, Christmas bonuses, into the next year, right? When I mean by next year is going to be hiring new employees. It's going to be any new marketing endeavors you want to take on, any new trucks, equipment. So this stuff can really boost your business if you add it to your business. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So this first client was in South Carolina. He ran it, right? He took advantage of our free Christmas light installation Google Ads, right? He took advantage of that, and I want to say that we ran his ads from the very beginning of November. So from like November 1st. And essentially, I want to say that we stopped like the second week right here. Yeah, so we stopped during that time frame. So basically, we ran it for about a month, right? From November 1st to like December 8th, right? And if you take a look at these numbers, guys, if you see, got 158 clicks on it. He spent $1,500. He got 42 leads, and he was getting 37 bucks a pop for each Christmas light installation lead, guys. And these aren't leads that are going to be, that aren't looking for your service. These are leads that are looking for your service. These are leads that want Christmas light installation, right? And so as you guys already know, the average ticket, if I were to go in here now to put the average ticket for Christmas light installation, right? For Christmas light installation. If I were to go ahead and put that, right? As you can see, it's going to be $2.50 to $7 per linear foot, right? And so even with that, guys, as you guys can already tell, if you're, with that linear foot, this is going to get you around $1,500, between I would say at least $1,000 to $2,000 as your average ticket for this job, right? And so this is why I say, even if you were to go ahead and get 42 of these leads and you were to just close half of these leads at 24 leads at $1,000 a pop, that's $24,000 you could have added by only spending $1,500. So it's very lucrative. Now, this next client was in Virginia, and once again, this client, did very well on his campaign. So essentially, basically spent $5,000 throughout the duration from September to September 1st, because I'm pretty sure we started running it towards the middle of September. So the middle of September to December, we're running these Christmas light ads. And as you guys can see right now, because we split up the campaigns between Christmas light and holiday lights, I was trying to test some things out. But as you can see, the average cost per click was about $9, almost around 10. 17% conversion rate, 90 leads during that time, and $55 per lead. And the area that he's in Virginia is not, it's not highly populous, but it's still pretty large. It's a pretty large sized city still. So, like I said, even during the season, getting 90 leads, right, from September to December when it comes to Christmas light installation, you spend about $5,000. If you close about half of those leads, right, that's going to end up like 45, you know what I mean? So 45 leads, if you closed half of these jobs, 45 leads at an average of, so if I do 45 times 1,500, at an average of that, that's like $67,500 you can go ahead and add to your revenue when it comes to that, right? So yeah, guys, and this is only after spending $5,000. And so $55 for Christmas light, leads, if you get like at least 3, even if you close every 4th of them, right, and you paid about $300 per lead, but you close a lead at worst for $1,000, you're still going to make some good profit margins from that, which is why I love Christmas light campaigns. Now, this is for another client that we have that's in Indiana. And so this client also runs, from September 1st to December 24th. As you can see right now, this client still runs other kind of campaigns, which is why I tell guys that you can still get lucrative results even in the winter months. But I'm going to focus and highlight on the Christmas light installation, holiday light installation ads right now. So from September 1st to December, basically, he got 147 leads because he got 91 in this Christmas light campaign at $65 a pop, and he got 56, right? And so if I go ahead and I was just going to add these cost per conversions, right, overall in that sense, and I was going to add basically $5,973. So let's just go $5,973 plus, if I were to go ahead and go $2,088, right? So plus $2,088, right? That's going to be $8,600 or $8,061, guys. Man, don't worry about me, guys, right now. I know my math is a little bit off. And then we divided that by 146 leads at that point. That's going to be about $55 per lead that this client was going ahead and getting in his campaign, right? $55 a lead for 140, for 147 leads, actually. So probably around $54. So 147 leads, $55 a pop. Like I said, and this from September to December, 147 leads in that sense for Christmas light installation. Even though we know we got majority of those leads in November time, we were cranking those bad boys out. And even during that time, even when it came to window cleaning and pressure washing, he was still getting some decent results, as you guys can see. So even like in gutter cleaning can be very expensive in this area just because of the cost per click, right? But still, 41 leads during that time, 20 leads for window cleaning at $50 a click or $50 a lead, and 31% conversion rate, 20% almost conversion rate. So yeah, we did pretty good. This client's really happy, and I can't wait to see us kick ass next season for him. Now this client as well, this client is in an affluent area in the Colorado area, and as you can see right now, we still are running pressure washing ads from September 1 through December. And as you know, in Colorado, it definitely snows a lot. And so if I just look here, this client had actually started his ads only in November, right? So we had just started his stuff in November. You know what I mean? When it comes to his Christmas lights. And even during that time from November 1st, he got 52 leads throughout that month and a half, right? $77 a pop, which, like I said, in his area, that average ticket for Christmas light installation is probably going to be around $2,000. And so even for this, even if he closed half of them, 25 jobs at $2,000 a pop, that's going to be about $50,000 he could have potentially added in his business for his ad spend of $4,000, which is going to be a 10x ROI on that, right? And so this is why I tell guys that Christmas light stuff is really, it's really fundamental to go ahead and run. So next client that I'm going to go ahead and show you guys, this client is a client in Connecticut, right? So from September 1st to December 24th, still did really good, right? And so this client also was running pressure washing campaigns, and this doesn't tell the whole tape, because this client right here would go a week or two, like every month, without really running their ads, just because they were too busy, right? They used to say, and he probably knows who he is if he's watching this video, right? And so even with this, if we go ahead and we look at his Christmas light campaign, right, he spent basically $1,800, basically 19% conversion rate, got 34 leads at $52 a pop. And even for the pressure washing stuff, still at around 18% conversion rate, 36 leads, $77. Remember, guys, this is Connecticut, cold weather. And even for roof cleaning, spent about $1,100, 26% conversion rate, 17 leads, and $67 per lead during that time frame. When it comes to running Christmas lights, pressure washing, and roof during September. So this is really, this really was good for his lead flow during that time, because without the Christmas lights, right here for the 34 leads that he got right here, then he would have really just gotten only, if I do my math correctly, 3. So he really only got about, so 87 minus 4, that is 3. Then that's 53 leads about, guys, right? So yeah, about 53 leads he would have gotten. So we added 34, so that is really good. And guys, don't judge me for my math today. Like I said, I just woke up on this nice Christmas Eve morning. And so this is another client right here. This client just started their stuff, I want to say, like in November. We only really ran in like November to, I want to say, like right here we stepped on, like, I want to say we just ran it all in November. So if I go here, just looking at November right now, guys, So if you guys look at it right here from November 1st to December 14th, as you can see right now, because this client only ran it, right? This client only ran it from November 1st to December 14th. So if you look at that, he got about 68 leads during that, or $68 per lead, right? 14 leads at 18% conversion rate. And like I said, $955 that he spent. And so even just, once again, guys, this is $955 that he just spent for a month, which really I want to say that we started the second week of November. If I go here, I don't think the numbers will really change if I go for the second week, so November 8th to there. Yeah, the numbers don't even change. So really it was from like November 8th, guys, and I want to say we stopped December 8th too. So it's really like really like a month time frame, guys, in that sense, truly, you know. And even during then, just $955 that he spent. And if he just closed even 2 leads out of this, he still made his money back, guys. He still made some good pocket change from that. And so this is kind of like worst case scenario numbers that you can go ahead and look at. But this client still did really good. One of our pressure washing clients, and he said, you know what, Jonathan, this is my first season running Christmas light installation. Let me just go ahead and see what we can do with $1,000. And this is what we did, right? And then if you go ahead and you look at this client, there's another client that we had in Connecticut, and he also runs various campaigns with us, but he was running Christmas lights also. And so majority of his leads, as you guys can see, really, really, really good numbers. This has been a client of ours for about 2 or 3 years now. So as you can see, his pressure washing, roof cleaning, and window cleaning and all of that obliterate his Christmas lights stuff, right? But still, 51 clicks. He spent only $415, guys. 22% conversion rate. Got 11 leads at $37 per lead. And this client, like I said, it's a $1 million company, really big company. Like I said, they have a lot of money to spend. I love working with them. Like I said, you don't need to be a $1 million company to work with us, guys. Not by any means at all. But like I said, you know, this client really values their marketing. And as you can see, they market from, well, they're not marketing now just because their employees are going to be off. But as you can see right now, for pressure washing, even during the time from September 1st, $47 per lead, 67 leads. Even roof cleaning, we spent about $891, got 20 leads, $44 a pop. And then if I look at window cleaning, you know, we spent $2,500, got basically a 29% conversion rate, 49 leads, $52. And this client really stopped his campaigns at the end of November because he was just too damn busy to keep running them, right? So even a very cold state like Connecticut can still get very, very good leads when it comes to the September or the last quarter of the year. So hopefully this shed us some light for you guys on what you can expect with your Christmas light campaigns when it comes to Google. And like I said, if you want to go ahead and reach out, whether it's going to be Christmas light installation, pressure washing, paver sealing, roof cleaning, window cleaning, gutter cleaning, we do it all when it comes to exterior cleaning niche, right? And so if you need help with your Google ads, just go ahead and let us know. Hit the free strategy button in the description below, and I'd be more than happy to go ahead and assess your guys' campaigns. But other than that, though, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.